Welcome to the channel, everybody. On this video we're going to go over how expensive is it to live in Las Vegas. Before we get started, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell for notifications, because we're going to be doing a lot of videos like this in the future. And if you like videos like this about how expensive it is to live in Las Vegas or anything about Las Vegas, leave a comment down below. But let's get started. Let's get into this video. I've been asked by a lot of people to make this video. Living in Las Vegas, is it affordable? Is it somewhere I plan on moving? Should I move here? Can I afford to live here? The first thing that everybody always talks about is the rent prices. If you buy a home, that's great, but if you end up having to rent, like your boy JT, I'm gonna go over how much it is to rent in Las Vegas. I live close to Summerlin area, right in that area. I rent a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. It's around $1,100 a month. Next, let's talk about the utility prices. It's kind of weird here because there's central AC. It's hot a lot of the times here, so you got to use your central AC. I know when I lived back in Wyoming, the utilities were really high because you always had to use the heat. Well, it's kind of like the same thing here. When you're using your central AC, it's kind of like using your heater. So I pay around $170, $180 a month for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath for utility prices. Now, pertaining to the water bill, that's also intertwined with utilities. I pay around $50 a month for the water bill for 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Now, the next thing everybody always talks about, I know it's expensive to drive in Las Vegas. Everything's kind of spread out. Yeah, you got to go farther, but the gas prices really aren't that bad. We found it as low as $2.35 a gallon all the way up to $2.75 a gallon. So around $2.40, $2.50 in that medium area for gas prices. Also, if you want me to make a video about how much it is to ride the city bus, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I'll make that video also. Next up, let's get into grocery prices. Everybody's got to eat. I love to eat. But anyways, for a gallon of milk's around $3 a gallon. I found eggs for about $2.20, $2.30 for 18 eggs. The beer prices, alcohol prices are very cheap here compared to where I was living. I don't know. Leave a comment down below how expensive it is. Say for like an 18 pack of Bud Light, I think it's around $14, $15 here, somewhere around there. It's really inexpensive. The groceries aren't bad. It kind of depends where you go. If you go to like the 99-cent store, you go to Winco or Smith's, you could usually get a good deal. They have a lot of good ads. Albertsons, we found some pork chops for like $7 for this big pack of pork chops. So the grocery prices really aren't that expensive here. Next thing kind of boggled my mind because internet. Everybody needs the internet to make these videos. I need the internet to upload. Well, certain areas only offer certain internet services. Where I live, LV.net is one of the main ones, and it's not cheap. It's like $100 a month, and you only get, I think, 100 megabytes of bandwidth speed. It's very low. It's not really that good. So the internet's kind of expensive. Also, as far as like cable TV, for basic cable, I think it's around $85 a month. I don't have basic, but I did my own little bit of research. I don't have cable myself yet, but around $85 a month for cable. Now, all you smokers out there, this is for you. I've been battling smoking cigarettes for a while. I go to my vapor pen, I go back to smoking. Leave a comment down below if you're having a problem with the smoking on and off. But anyways, cigarette prices. Let's get into the cigarette prices. For a pack of Camel Crush, we'll say, these are about $8.25 a pack. Very expensive. Where I used to live in Wyoming, they're about $5.50, $6 a pack. So about $8 to $9 a pack of cigarettes. Now let's get into haircuts, y'all. One of the biggest things that got to me when I moved into Las Vegas is the price of getting a haircut. Where I used to live in Wyoming is about $17 a haircut. Here, the cheapest I found was $25 for a haircut. And then you tip them, it's about $30 just to get a 10-minute fade. Women's go from $50 and up depending on, you know, what style you get, if you get a perm, if you get it colored or anything like that. But hair cutting prices are very expensive in Las Vegas. Now I know sometimes you move into an apartment and you don't have a washer and dryer in the unit. Well, if you have to go to the laundromat, if your apartment complex doesn't have a laundry facility, you gotta go to the laundromat. Well, laundry prices aren't that expensive. We found like double odor washer for $3.75, and then to dry it's about 25 cents for 7 minutes. Usually for me and mom to do our clothes, we end up spending about $6 to put all of our clothes in one big load. So about $6 for laundry, not too expensive. There you have it, guys. Kind of a short video. Appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel for more videos like this. Also leave a comment down below if there's something that I missed that you want to know the cost of. And if you want me to do anything pertaining to food, like the cost of eating out, go ahead and leave a comment about that also. And we'll see you guys later. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'm out.
The life of JT, he gon' keep it real what he's thinking, ay.